All we have to do is to put the message and we have to send it. So if I click on the Sonal, right now I have on send message to Sonal. If I click on the Sahil, I can see all the messages I have sent to Sahil. If I come back to the Shoaib Bhai, I can see the message I have sent to Shoaib Bhai. The problem we have in the centralized system that you don't have control over the platform. If you are sending any message and if the platform restrict that, you may lose your account. So this is the feature we have included in our NFT marketplace, the Pro one. So what I will show you, let's come back here in the friend section, and here you will find all the user who you are friend with. So right now I'm friend with Sonal, Sahir and Shoaib Bhai. If I want to chat with them, and all of this chat will happen in a decentralized space and it will store in the smart contract. So if I click on the Sahir, it's going to open the chat model, and here I can able to transfer the data, and this data will be transferred in real time. So all we have to do is to put the message and we have to send it. So if I click on the Sonal, right now I have on send message to Sonal. If I click on the Sahil, I can see all the messages I have sent to Sahil. If I come back to the Shoaib Bhai, I can see the message I have sent to Shoaib Bhai. So if I come back here to Sahil, and I can simply copy this text, copy this one, and I can simply paste here, and I can simply come and click on the send transaction, and I have successfully sent the message to Shoaib, and the message will reflect here. So this one is really powerful because you are providing this feature in an NFT marketplace and you are providing multiple service. So the more service you will provide to your user, the more options they will have, and the more chances will increase that your application will kickstart and you will have a lot of users. So we have built a lot of feature in this particular platform. I hope you guys have watched the other videos which I have made on this particular platform, that how you can create NFT, video, audio, how you can list for an auctions, how you can add more feature, how you can add the bidding system, how the user can create their account. So they can come back here in the community and they can simply create their account and they can become a friend with anyone. So I'm already friend with all of these three. You can simply create an account and you can click on this add friend, and you will become a friend and you can start chatting with them. So again, I would recommend you come back here and just have a look on this particular course. This will teach you every single thing which you have to know, that what are the things you're going to learn in this particular entire Web3 DAF course. That will teach you every single thing which you have to know if you are a complete beginner. So this took me almost 7 months and we got amazing feedback from so many of you. So thanks for all the support which you have given, and some of you have built an incredible application with the help of this particular marketplace. So see you in the course. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.